Ner malakenyam biakamal gwasama kan Nuer Language School. En wala bana raike kui neri ki malari mal la casual ke everyday greetings. Neri nisha. En gwada chi jektin yana rana deri tich kata dan tekeje. Ajan danan banange gwasama en wale. Bishu goro no bishana bije support bi subscribe kabi notification bell bije twine ko mitege ngi michi bere gwada me besho amala shube keji kapat. Bana je to do bdan de kon ngi jame de kon kan keje ngi mu gwa mede rande ro palping ke kwide ko jen gwaya. Ken yam chana je to gwata me michi alare wone ne. How is it going? How is it going? Lunodi how is it going? Luno weidi. Weidi jen a greeting. How is it going? Weidi jen a mal. Ki ner mala me teach mal. How is it going? Weidi ki de larno male. Na me ne tungwan dong la ka gay misha how is it going? Dong de ruwe chalo no mal lun male. Do no weidi keji. How is it going? Gwada me to kon ke nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mulur jane. Chiloy the test ko shanjik. Chiloy the test ko shanjik. Mulur ka gwasame bana me beggar na mene ha. Chiloy the test ko shanjik. De larode nice to meet you. Chiloy the test ko shanjik. Median gwasame mendong de recap nyok de konwe kaname. Long time no see. Misha long time no see. Chagwa ber kan konmenjek. Chagwa ber kan konmenjek lo nodi. Long time no see. Chagwa ber kan konmenjek ka Thok Nath. Long time no see. Wana gwatame. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Lot nodi. Nguchi lo lato. Nguchi lo lato. Ki nguchi lo lelo. Diri larno no. What have you been up to? Nguchi lo lato. Ki nguchi lo lelo. There and there rajmo there jigoro there jangat. Micha jogo no what have you been up to? Jogo no nguchi lo lato. Ki nguchi lo lelo. Have a good one. Have a good one no teni kamal. Teni kamal. Have a good one teni kamal. Wana karo jado dien. Basic polite word no real lusa. Real luska ka kon gwad me tiken kadek. Micha real lusa. Real lusa ka ranyen kon dong deran deri ngajeno michari de me chala de no gram mi wala cha de no jonot ko mon ke real lusa gwasamane bi shu goro no brodo kabika ko gwaya micha wenene thank you so much lurnodi chilosh the test keji chiloy the test keji thank you so much chiloy the test keji thank you so much chiloy the test keji real lusa ne. I am sorry. Michiwo I am sorry. I am sorry malude jane gwaseme. Luno hen chadwer. Kie chadwer en chadwer. I am sorry. I am sorry luno hen chadwer. Kie de larodi chadwer katodan kie chamalik. I'm sorry. Diri lare nono. No problem at all. No problem at all. Luno di tele milarek kakendial. Telemilare kakendial. No problem at all. Telemilare kakendial. They are no telemilare. No problem. Telemilare. No problem at all. Do no di telemilare kakendial. Dere lare no ka drop down dere lare kaja. Wana gwasame. Excuse me. Excuse me malo de jane. Mishiran yogo no excuse me. Lo no di paliaka. Paliaka luno excuse me temba gar gwatama na mane paliaka tilatetin de gor gwatama ne paliaka luno di excuse me luno paliaka wana pingwasama ne after you bawo koru after you bawo koru mi dong teram ngoro de nyam jo after you lo goro jenwo be jibel ba wen yam bi ko lo gor after you bawo koru ke baji gor bawo koru wana kana me na mani getting help and clarity millat ka duor mi George mi don ken linki ken we loidu de ran ti ka duor no na me kana linki ken wo ka kel ano jen lot ko mo gwa ke jen ban right no gwa semene ano ken content bu kon ngwa gwa greeting help and clarity ano bana je nywa kel ka jen ngi jeme chana min we nyam gwa me ko bu kon ko ngaja gwa melude gwa seme gurno broad palping kalienda getting help and clarity miteji lok ki mekaneling ki mugorjeno de lok loidu agenda na bana ngi gwasame manyam I do not understand I don't understand de larnona en kana shubloide I don't understand I do not understand kana shubloide. Could you repeat that please? Muluno shede nyok kalwoch langaji shede nyok kalwoch. You can just simply say shede nyok kalwoch. Muluno please luno langaji kilimran mulimija. Could you repeat that please? Shede nyok kalwoch langaji. What does this mean? Angulut memeja. What does this mean? Angulut memeja. Could you speak slower? Michai jokaran. Could you speak slower? Mulunodi. Alojiran. Chide rachamat. Could you speak slower? Chide rachamat. Could you speak slower? Chide rajamat ki chijoru shede yotpin de larno chijoru shede yotpin chide rajamat. Could you speak slower? Chide rajamat. Can you help me de larno can you help me mulonodi shede look can you help me shede look na mene teach shede look no there teach na mo question form ke jomu ko kati de la rodi share the look can you help me ana ma dara gwa ka kon men ban nyoko minen kon gwas me bala mi chagore daily talk and feelings rwani tinje ke ngit daily talk rwani rwani na ka kereshan ni feelings ta jikje rengis ke du kere chardo la lar kenon ala feelings ke de chala rar but jikje ka point no dere jek cha kweneji cha nongneji dere je ka loidu no na me gwa ke jeka to social ka ke feelings tong na jeka maniam mishawo that makes sense lonode mama take a lot jigje mama take a lot that makes sense mama take a lot. I am on my way lonode ana dadwop ki ana bene I am on my way. Ene dadwop ki ene beni dere lari nono. It is up to you. Micha ijogonon. It is up to you. Emi gorije. It is up to you. Emi gorije. Ajalot kama. It is up to you. Jen emi gorije. It is up to you. Emi gorije. I cannot believe it. Lunodi. An shanangat. Ki dire lar. Simple you can say shanangat. I don't believe it. Name chakula rodi. I cannot believe it. An shanangat. I cannot believe it. An shanangat. Let us keep in touch. Lunodi. Ani akon lajik. Ludnodi, let us keep in touch. Don't aramnogodi and malajik. Somebody that want you to get in touch with him or with her, you can say it. Let us keep in touch. Any akon lajik lunodi, let us keep in touch. One kinija dodian gwasame. Nijame bala making plans. Lunodi, miriale ro ika, akena content bana nywagan teme kejin nijame. Bana we woni amagwa rengi kana maka dob dande kon ngwande kon ngaikeje name luno making plant ka kon wede ko larode muriale roika ki mi chere ka dwaro mi bilat ki mi dongchilat ke dong chiri ala ka already no na me balat ajalot ko magwasa me chana jeto me shawone na are you free tonight are you free tonight mlunodi jin lori and weri na moni mitika plan ki tika char ki chori ala ka kwide no quality ni are you free tonight jin lori and weri milori bichularo luar sound good to me lunodi ajomo gwa kaga ajomo gwa kilenga jagwa ajomo gwa sound good to me ajomo gwa kaga I cannot make it malure janane an shan bishop I cannot make it de lar an shan bishop please I cannot make it langaji an shan bishop de lar no I cannot make it han shan bishop run de lar chan wenyok let us grab coffee malure jane let us grab coffee malure wana romoy ke bun wara moy ke bun ke wara moy ke tea let us grab tea ke let us grab anything muluno de wana romoy kaname wara moy ka door wana romoy ke bun shaladi let us grab tea ke let us grab coffee what is your plant micha iti what is your plant luno de amuchiri ale kamo what is your plan amuchiri ale kamo dera na gorno dara jangal micha iti jeno amuchiri ale kamo jogoni jodi what is your plan ulengu ke charran miri ale ka lengu na me dera gwa dera na kaf bana we kamra dien amene ngite me chwale short idiom and fun phrases titi ke dobrini tete ka luona to goal ka luona to goal to lar dola ja lar ke riete mo duno bote ke lododien bana je to gwata me malot ka mishit keno tuongnaja michawo piece of cake de ngo jeno tang cake la cake tam ke mala shara jura tam balot kuno de michawo piece of cake lo no very easy no de tiakelong very easy tiakelong piece of cake lo no de tiakelong very easy chwala idiom wana gwatume break the ash diri gujeno tiat kene piu dino gwat lab no de start talking ka tongna lot kuno de talk right jogin talk right start talking break the ash lo no de start a talk lo no talk right start a talk under the weather de ko lara no pinjam that when 10 on a pinjam baname chalde feeling sick malode jegaro alo duale ki jegaro lo dual point ki antaka jui de la antaka jui under the weather feeling sick jelo da mone jegaro alo duale taken ka want to go cause an arm and a leg cheterenang ka chokanang cheterenang ki chokanang muno de very costly muno te cook midit luno de very costly muno cause an arm and leg te cook midit de gujeno cheterenang ki chokanang duno luno de te cook midit very costly manja gwada mane hang in there micha jugo no hang in there jonji no de do not give up hang in there odi limian wano ki tenike dial hang in there tenike dial jonji no do not give up lo no de shuro luar ajalo da mane gwasa mene lo no shuro du luar ka tok nene tenas shuro du luar ke shuro luar enono ngi megwa mendera andere jigoro no dere ja gore ne chiang ko be jilwa kati diala kono ndong der ngai ka Thok Nath gorno bi channel bi support bi subscribe ko notification bell bi twany ko mite ngi michi bere gwado ndo chama la shibukeji bi ataga mal bye bye